Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to assign tasks to collaborators in Todoist, your complete 2025 guide. So you've got your tasks in order and you're ready to delegate to your team. The first step is to invite your collaborators to your Todoist project. To do this, click on the person icon in the top right corner of your project, enter their email addresses, and hit send. This step is crucial as you can't assign tasks to someone who isn't part of your project. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the actual task assignment. Click on a task, then click on the person icon again. This time, a list of your collaborators will pop up. Select the person you want to assign the task to. This helps us because it establishes clear ownership of a task, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities. Once you've assigned the task, it's time to set a deadline. Click on the calendar icon next to your task, pick a date, and save. Deadlines are important because they keep everyone on track and ensure tasks are completed on time. The reason we do this is to make sure everyone is on the same page. When you've assigned a task and set a deadline, the assignee will get a notification and the task will appear in their Todoist. Now, you might be wondering what's happening behind the scenes. Well, Todoist is essentially streamlining your team's workflow, making sure everyone knows what they need to do and when. Next up, let's say you want to add some context or details to your task. Click on the comments icon, type in your note, and hit send. This is a great way to provide additional information about a task, reducing potential confusion or miscommunication. To wrap things up, let's recap. We've invited our collaborators to our Todoist project, assigned tasks, set deadlines, and added comments. These steps are all about improving teamwork and productivity, ensuring that everyone knows what they need to do and when. And that's it. You've now mastered how to assign tasks to collaborators in Todoist. So, go forth and delegate. Remember, effective collaboration is key to any project's success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.